Hi, dear Cancerians. I hope you guys are doing really well in your life. And this is a general love reading till end of Feb. So let's quickly tap into your partners and your energy and let's see whatever is coming. So right now your partner is in the judgment mode. So they are assessing whatever you did in the past, you guys did in the past. So they are assessing this relationship. They are assessing your nature, your character. They are assessing their nature, their character, their deeds. So they are basically want they want a reconciliation, you can say, because judgment card is of reconciliation as well. So they want you back. Okay, so they are in the energy of wanting you back, assessing whatever they did wrong in this relationship, and they want things to work out in their favor or this relationship's favor. Okay, and your energy right now, Cancer, is the 10 of Pentacles. So, what I can say is you are working on yourself, your finances, your business, your work, your job, your career. You are typically working on yourself right now. Maybe you are right now not in the condition, or maybe right now you are not in that zone of commitment or love or relationship. Okay, how they see you, your partner see you as the Three of Swords. So they feel like you are kind of heartbroken person. You are kind of not a loving person or a caring person, or you are not able to make them understand what you truly feel or what you truly want from this relationship. They see you as a person who is kind of confused, or who is kind of you're not not emotional or not providing or caring or something like that. Okay, on the other hand, how you see this person, the Devil. You feel like this person is kind of obsessed, or this person is kind of stuck on you, or they don't have anything else to do in their life. You feel like this person is addicted to you, or this person is having some kind of addiction or some kind of trauma they are dealing with, and you feel like this person is a very overbearing kind of person, and they are like not mature enough to understand these kind of emotional turmoils or emotional situations right now. So from your partner's point of view, you are kind of emotionally off person, you are hurt person, you are kind of person who doesn't open up easily. Okay, from your side you are kind of from your side you see your partner as someone who is very very obsessive, or very very possessive, or very very demanding, and you're not able to cope up with that energy. So what they feel about this relationship, this is the Death card. They feel that this relationship is over, there's nothing left in this relationship, and they feel like this is the death of this relationship, and there will be a new beginning in their life or in both of your lives. And they feel like, yes, no matter how hard they try, this relationship was meant to be over. Okay, this relationship was not meant to work. So that is what they are feeling right now in this relationship. This is the Death card. On the other hand, you also feel, the Hermit energy is also telling me that you are also feeling lonely. You are working from within, you are working on yourself, you are looking within yourself, and you are finding fault in yourself. Cancer, this is not your fault at all. Cancer, let me tell you one thing, this is not anybody's fault. If two people come together and they are not on the same page, then it is not somebody else's fault. It is like it is not somebody's fault actually. It is like this kind of energy is present when two people come together but they didn't click. Okay, the mindset doesn't match, or the energy doesn't match, or whatever it is. This is nobody's fault, but you are working for yourself, you are working within yourself, or maybe you are seeking some spiritual guidance as well from someone. But yes, this is a very beautiful energy that you're working on yourself, Cancer, and this is the need of the hour. You have to do it. Okay, and what they want from this relationship, this is the Queen of Wands energy. So they want passion in this relationship, they want your time, they want your energy, they want kind of what I can see is they want if they're not physical with you, they want to get physical with you. They want to feel the intimacy, they want to feel the passion, they want to feel the fire, the ignition, the heat. So they want a passionate new start, they want a passionate relationship in their life, and maybe they are not finding you the right person for that. Okay, what you want from this relationship, you want stability from this relationship, you want a stable partner in your life, you want a mature partner, a person who understands you, your work life, your character, your nature. So basically you want maybe you wanted, I don't know if you still want it or not, but you wanted this. You want a stable relationship, you want this person to understand you and understand your lifestyle and your nature, but I don't think they did, and that is why this relationship come to an end. This relationship was not working out for both of you, and maybe you both decided mutually that we should, break up, and we should live our own life, respective lives. From there, and it is the Tower. So by the end of Feb, or till the end of Feb, this relationship is going nowhere, and this is the Tower. They broke up with you, or either you broke up with them or they broke up with you, but this relationship is not going anywhere. This is kind of energy that is stuck, and this is kind of energy that everything is on hold right now. Nothing is working out, nothing is moving forward. So this kind of energy is, this is the Tower moment, because I feel the foundation of this relationship was very, very weak. That was not on mutual trust or mutual love or mutual understanding. So this connection was weak, and so the Tower moment came in your life, and this relationship broke. And outcome from your side is the Two of Swords. You are on the crossroads. Maybe you are making choices between two people or two situation, or maybe you are thinking about going back to them and talking to them, and make mending things between you guys and making things right. But you are not in the position that position. You are not in that position right now, Cancerians, because what I can see, you see, is you are on the crossroads, whether to go to them or not to go to them, whether to talk to them or not talk to them, whether I should wait or I should just move on. So you are not able to understand which way to go. You are on the crossroads. So the potential for this relationship to work out is a Wheel of Fortune. So whatever is happening, it is happening by the grace of universe. So I know it is painful. The transformation is never easy. It is always painful. The awakening is always painful. So the universe is working out in your favor, Cancer. So, and whatever is happening for your highest good. So trust the universe, trust the intuition, trust your intuition. Don't force anything. Don't, just force anything or any person to be with you. Okay, if they want to go, just let them go. This is the potential. And the guidance from the universe is the Eight of Wands. Open and honest and hearty conversation is required. So you require an open and honest conversation with your person if you want this relationship to work out, or maybe just for a closure, or for your peace of mind, for their peace of mind. You should talk to this person openly and honestly, and communicate each and everything, every little minute detail, every minute detail. You should talk to them about everything that you are going through and you are feeling. Okay, this will maybe bring you both a closure, or maybe bring both of you together. So this is your energy. The energy is present there of reconciliation. The energy is present there of having a new start. But it is up to you how you take it, Cancerians. Okay. Another message from the universe is mirror. So you guys are mirroring each other. Self-image, relationships reflect our wounds, introspection. So you are going through this phase right now in your life till the end of Feb. If you can read it aloud for 3-4 times and grab it. Okay, this is the message from the angels, the universe, you can say. Okay, so yeah, Cancerians, this is all about your love life till the end of Feb. I hope it will help you out. I know it is not a very happy reading, but most of the signs are going through this situation right now. Maybe this is kind of energy present in the universe right now. I don't know what kind of retrograde or something is going on. I don't know about this thing. But yes, this is mostly what the other signs are also feeling like. Okay, you're not alone. Don't worry. Okay, Cancerians, we guys are with you. So thank you so much for listening. God bless you. And do let me know in the comment section below if I can help in any way. And do subscribe to my channel as well, and refer to your friends as well. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste.